What's up and welcome to New Delhi, India. My name's Luke Martin with chopsticktravel.com, and today is day 3 of our videos here in Delhi. This place is absolutely blowing our mind, and if you want to check out the previous 2 days, just hit the link down in the description box. So yesterday we had an incredible day exploring some of the best street food Old Delhi has to offer.
Come closer to have a look at this because
we just ordered up our jalebi. They are making these fresh. Oh man, that feels nice and sugary. Let's try that. We also visited Asia's largest spice market. We are walking around the spice market. This place is absolutely huge, the biggest one in Asia, as Gaurav mentioned. And we finished off the day tasting the biggest pot of curry I have ever seen in my entire life. We have come to our dinner spot and I'm just blown away. We came right up to have this Changezi chicken and they are cooking the biggest pot of curry I have ever seen in my entire life. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a unique one. We are meeting up again with my buddy Gaurav. He is a local here in Delhi, a local restaurant owner, and just a food expert. And of course, he also has his own YouTube channel, which you can click the link down in the description box. So we're gonna meet up with Gaurav, and he is taking us to the Gurudwara. Gurudwara is the place of worship for Sikhs. And we are really excited because we are going to be visiting their kitchen. So in the Gurudwara every day, they have a Langar, which is a community kitchen where they feed everyone, no matter what your religion, your ethnicity, your gender, economic status, all of that doesn't matter. It's just a free vegetarian meal for everybody. So I am really excited. It's going to be a day of learning for me. I've never been to a Gurudwara, and I am just really fascinated to learn a little bit more about this religion and see inside this kitchen. So let's go meet up with my buddy Gaurav. We are at the Gurudwara. This is called Bangla Sahib Gurudwara. This is the biggest one in Delhi, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and you can see now I'm dressed in, what is this called?
It's called a kurta.
Kurta, okay.
Yes, and
so
that's a traditional wear.
Traditional wear. Yeah. And we are going inside. We have our shoes off and we're gonna cover our heads and then go explore the beautiful Gurudwara.
So here what you see is that Luke being tied the dastar,
yep.
And this is the traditional way of going inside the Bangla Sahib Gurudwara. You need to first cover your head. Okay. So I have already my head covered, and now Luke is being tied the dastar.
It's definitely a first for me.
Your head's covered?
Yeah, how does it look?
Looks good.
I won't be able to see, so you'll let me know down in the comment box what you think. We are entering the Gurudwara now. The first thing you do when you come in here, after you've made sure that your head is covered and you're wearing full pants, is to wash your feet and also to wash your hands. So let's go inside. This looks beautiful. So we just finished off in the Gurudwara. It is absolutely beautiful. They are singing the hymns and it is covered in gold and just absolutely stunning and very peaceful and a humbling experience just to take a seat for 5 minutes and close your eyes and just listen to the sounds. So we are heading now to the Langar kitchen. As you can see behind me here, there is a massive pile of, I think this is flour here, but they have all kinds of different ingredients, and all these ingredients are donated by the people for the people, and we are going to go into the kitchen and see how they prepare it now. This machine right behind me is the machine that is producing 3,500 chapatis per hour. It is like a conveyor belt, literally, of chapatis. You can see behind me here, definitely the biggest pot of curry I have ever seen. I was just told that this is 550 kgs of curry. It is bright yellow, and the volunteers are working away here, cooking mass amounts of foods. This is fascinating. I am being told some ridiculous figures about the quantity of food that this kitchen is pumping out. Something like 600 kgs of dal, 3,500 chapatis an hour, 550 kgs of that curry I just showed you. Just ridiculous mass amounts of food, and nothing goes to waste. They are feeding 25,000 people on average a day, and on the weekends that's double, and on special holidays it can be upwards of 100,000 people per day. This has got to be one of the most intense kitchens I've ever stepped foot in. This is like a swimming pool full of curry. This is huge. Yeah, you definitely don't want to swim in this one. We are in the Langar dining hall now. You can see behind me, this place is absolutely massive. The doors will open at 12:30 and there's already a huge line outside, so everyone will come in and dine together. The food looked incredible, and this has just been such a fascinating experience, so we're just waiting for everyone to arrive and then we will eat. We are sitting down now in the Langar Hall. This is such an incredible experience. This place is packed with people.
Absolutely, yes. So I was telling you that every 15 minutes, 500 to 700 people come and sit down, have langar here, and that keeps on changing. So the meal is around 30,000 meals a day.
30,000 meals.
30,000 meals a day, so you can imagine.
And our food here looks absolutely incredible too. We've got the rice, the chapati, right? And then the dal. And it looks absolutely incredible.
And the dal is cooked in clarified butter, like
clarified butter.
Yes,
Yeah, desi ghee.
Let's eat.
All right, let's eat.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, that's wonderful. This tastes so homemade and made with love.
And there is a sign of purity in that.
Yeah.
It's made with a lot of love, made with a lot of purity, and this langar is divine. We should enjoy the langar.
Yeah. What do you think of this?
This is absolutely incredible. The food is delicious. It was cooked with love, and everybody is enjoying themselves here. It's a great experience.
Finished off with our meal. That was absolutely delicious. The second group of people are just starting to come in now. It is all you can eat. Just eat until you're full and then take your dishes over to be washed. So we are finished off. I think we're gonna head outside and say goodbye. Finished off with our Gurudwara experience. That was so humbling and just really peaceful to visit the actual temple itself and then see the kitchen and eat the food. And thank you once again to Gaurav for helping us get the permission to film here and showing us around and being our guide. So thank you very much.
That is because we share the same common, photo. Like I was telling you, food. So if it's food, we have to be all together. And if I can get him the permission to film at a Gurudwara, I think I'll be more humble than that.
Yeah.
So it was an amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed.
It was certainly a unique food experience and very, like, you could feel the community and just everyone bonding together, eating together. Everyone's at the same level. So that was really incredible. So make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this. Check out Gaurav's channel. It's going to be down in the description box, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We got a couple more videos coming from Delhi, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Did you accept that?